Fit like now. Welcome to part 5 of learning Scottish words. Doric Scots. The tongue of the north-east of Scotland. Now the first word is doup, which means bottom, or butt, or backside. Now as you can see by this photo, this lad is a true Scotsman, because you can see he's bare doup. Your doup can also be called a dock, and some folk call it a poop shoot. So it all depends what you prefer, but mostly we call it a doup. Now as you can see in this next photo, this is nie enough a bonus zegt. This is a builder's doup, and you don't want to see it. Now sometimes if your bairn is running about and he carry on to sale or capering about and it's annoying you, sometimes you want them to sit down, so you'll say sit down in your doup. See, so he behaves himself. As you can see in this next photo, this lad's getting a kick in the doup, and if you get really angry, you can say I'm going to give you a recht hoof op de ears. So he's getting a recht hoof op de ears, or a kick in the doup. Now the next word is dross. As you can see here, there's a heap of small change or coinage, and that's what you call dross. Or there's another word for it now called cellar. You can call it cellar. So that's dross or cellar. Now dross or cellar can also be called barbies, because that's what we call our money as well, barbies. Now nobody wants butches full of dross, and as you can see, this lad's coping himself upside down, and he's teaming out these butches, emptying these butches. So he's teaming out these butches. Wat the dross. Our next word is all foreign, and as you can see by this photo, it's an all foreign photo. It's a photo, it's old fashioned, and we call it all foreign. And this is another example of a picture of an all foreign car. So it's all foreign. The next word is all nettered, and as you can see with this photo, this lad looks a bit all nettered. Now all nettered means bad tempered, and as you can see by this picture of this wee loony, he looks all nettered. Now the next word is dunderhead, and as you can see by the picture, it's the school dance, and he's what you would call a recht dunderhead. Now this picture actually takes back a lot of memories, but I'm not going to get into that. But as you can see, the lad's standing over in a nook, facing a nook, and he would be classed as the dunderhead. Now the next word is deen, and that means finished, so or done. So as doggy lying in a flare, he's maybe in a good runabout for an hour or so, and he's fair deen. So he's in a wee sleep in a flare. So that's the word deen. Now, as you can see by this next picture, the wine is all deen. So it's finished. It's deen. And when you get an empty bottle, that's what we call team. So it's all deen, but it's also team. And this is another empty bottle, so it's a team bottle. The bottle's team. There's nothing in it, so it's team. Now, the last word is doten. Now, as you can see by this picture, this is a queen maybe looking up to her boyfriend, and she's doting on him. It's a bit like looking up to or worshipping. You're doting on somebody, or you really like somebody, often near to the point of worshipping him. And as you can see by this picture, there's a black Labrador, and he's looking up. He's maybe looking up at his master, and he's doting on his master. And this wee bairn, he's looking up. He's maybe doting on his mom or his mother. So that's the word doting. Now that's the end of part 5 of learning Scottish words, Doric Scots, the mother tongue for the north east of Scotland. So I'll catch you after.